And I'm quoting Asaduddin Owaisi here. Tum kab bedar hoge? Asaduddin Owaisi asks a largely Muslim crowd at Barabanki in Uttar Pradesh. When will you wake up? He says. Agar CA NRC banega, to yahi Shaheen Bagh banega inshallah. Sir, is this a warning or a threat to the government?
Gaurav, to be very frank, whenever brute majorities are passing laws which are unconstitutional for any population, now this is a matter of study for me at least, wherein we have seen that the brute majority of the BJP government passed farm laws and it was taken back. The same brute majority passed the CA, followed by NRC, was promised by the Home Minister, and we will fight. We will fight on the streets because brute majorities has to be fought on the streets. This is our constitutional right. Unconstitutional measures by this government will have to be taken back. And I can only assure you that by 2024, this government will roll back every unconstitutional thing they have done. Because they are interested in votes, they are interested in power, they are not interested in the benefit of the country.
RP Singh, has the opposition smelt blood, sir? Prime Minister Narendra Modi apologized for failing to convince farmers on farm laws. The laws stand withdrawn. Shaheen Bagh at Barabanki, is it to put pressure on the BJP to ensure CA and NRC are not implemented? You heard Atikur Rahman, the street will dominate.
Tell what Atikur Rahman said first. Atikur Rahman said that the government is more interested in power, not in the welfare of the country. It means the bill passed in the parliament is in welfare of the country. We are not interested in welfare of the country. We are more interested in retaining the power. I mean, that's what Atikur Rahman said. I'm understanding his logic only. But let's understand, what do CA has to do with the Indian Muslims at the first stage? Can Mr. Atikur Rahman tell me how does it affect any Indian Muslim? It is only for Hindus, Sikhs, specifically in Afghanistan, Pakistan or Bangladesh. How does it affect any Muslim in country? But they can create a movie. And this whole affair is being created and saying that hum Shaheen Bagh bana denge. This clearly shows that what is their intention. Their intention is not to contest issues and subjects, but to create anarchy, to create law and order problems. And they have all the right, they have gone to court. They have all the right to go to court. Even in the farmer issue, court has stayed their bill. So they can go to court and they can get respite from court if they want to get respite from court.
Fair enough. I will get you to rebut that why protest on the streets, threaten a Shaheen Bagh or threaten instead of adopting means as RP Singh suggests, go to courts of law.